Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Those of you who join me regularly will know this is my 52nd video and I've been vlogging for a whole year now. So I thought I'd come back to Berry Head where it all started with the intention of comparing the first video with this one. The intention was to get out of the house, I said, and learn a bit more about filmmaking. So let's see if I've learned anything. Typical, best laid plans and all that. I had to come out late this morning because it was raining, and as soon as I get here and try and start filming this video for you, it's completely clagged in and all my gear is getting wet. Well, as you can see, the weather's closed in and I think I'm going to call it a day. Best laid plans, eh? I still think the video I've taken will be better quality than last year, but there won't be much of it. So I think as it's been a year of making videos, I might even take a short break and come back with something more interesting. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and for those of you who subscribe and have stuck with me for a whole year, thank you very much. It's greatly appreciated. But for now, cheerio.